students, in this module we will discuss about the loop and its types. Loop is repetition of some set of statements. If we want to execute the same statement or few statements multiple times, then we can use loop. In Java there are three types of loop. The loops are while loop, do while loop and for loop. The three loops are while loop, do while loop and for loop. In any loop, the three statements are compulsory or you can say important. They are initialization. Initialization means the starting point from where the loop will begin. Then the condition. The condition should be the value where we want to stop. And then the updation, which contains either increment or decrement. Once the condition is checked, if it is true, then the body of the loop will execute. And as long as the condition is true, the body will execute. This is what the general loop is. Now we'll switch to while loop. While is also known as entry control loop. Why it is called entry control? Because the condition is checked at the start of the loop. So before entering into the loop, the condition will be checked, and if the condition is true or correct, only then the loop will let you, or sorry, the program will let you to get inside the loop. Otherwise, you will be moved out of the loop if your condition is false to start with. So what the syntax is? Let us discuss that syntax. As you can see here, the first thing is initialization, then while loop, in bracket condition, then the curly braces will open. Here we have statements. As you can see, statement in bracket S, it means you can write one statement or more than one statement. Then after increment or decrement, that is updation, and lastly the curly braces closed. This opening curly braces to closing curly braces area here is called body of the loop. It's called body of the loop. So what the working is, first the initialization will take place, then the condition will be checked. If the result of this condition is true, then the statement or the body of the loop, you can say directly, the body of the loop gets executed. If you say body of the loop, it contains both statements, increment, decrement, all the things inside the body. So again, if the result of given condition is true, the body of the loop gets executed. Again the condition will be checked, as you can see in the figure as well. Again the condition will be checked. If it is still true, again these statements will be executed. And this process continues as long as the condition remains true. As soon as a condition becomes false, the control will move out of the loop. The control will move out of the loop. So this is what the while loop is. And that is why it is called entry control, because here we are checking the condition before we are getting inside the loop. So before that the condition will be checked. If it is true, only then we are allowed to get inside the loop. Otherwise you will not be allowed to get inside the loop. Okay, so we'll see a few programs based on while loop. Important heading as far as looping is concerned. So please watch this video multiple times, clarify your doubt with the video as well as the notes which I have sent to you by School Mitra. Okay, thank you so much.